Hi, I'm Alexandra Bernard, reporting for Global Animal Network. Today I'll be informing you about global warming and the extinction of animals. Global warming is one of the most harmful human interferences that lead to the extinction of animals. You might be wondering what global warming is. Merriam-Webster's online dictionary definition is an increase in the Earth's atmospheric and oceanic temperatures. Now, what causes global warming? It is caused by greenhouse gases and carbon dioxide being released into the atmosphere. Global warming has always somewhat been happening, but human technology has sped up the global warming process. World Book states that the average temperature of the Earth's surface has increased by about 1.4 degrees Fahrenheit since the mid-1800s. Most of the rise from mid-1900s to 2000s. This makes sense because that's when our industries really boomed. Now, what does global warming have to do with the animals? Its main effect is habitat loss. The temperatures are changing too quickly for the animals to adapt, and there's also a chain effect because animals' food sources also die off because they're losing their habitat as well. Some people don't think global warming is true, or that it's a hoax. Global Warming Hoax website says it's a myth that, quote, even slight temperature rises are disastrous. Ice caps will melt, people will die. I feel like this statement goes a little overboard. Yes, a slight temperature rise could cause changes for animals such as the sea turtle. Yes, slight temperature rises will cause ice caps to melt, but they will first melt slowly. Also, I'm not sure if people will die right away if temperatures increase only a little bit. People are very good at adapting to different places. But I think the animals would have a harder time. As you probably see right now, habitat loss is a very big problem. An animal that is probably most directly affected by global warming is the polar bear. Global warming is causing the ice to melt. Polar bears rely on ice for hunting, raising young, and traveling. The Christian Science Monitor says that in the west of Hudson Bay of Canada, polar bear numbers have dropped 25% since the 1980s due to the lack of adequate habitat for dens. In the book 6, Our Future on a Hotter Planet, pages 94 to 97, states that when the sea ice breaks up earlier, fewer yearling cubs survive and fewer cubs are born. This has a major effect on polar bear population. Seals, that use ice masses to rest, are also losing their habitat, which hurts polar bears even more because seals are their main food source. I think Santa may need to find a new source of transportation, because reindeer, also known as caribou, are really feeling the impact of climate change. As reported by an article in Indian Life, their numbers have plunged nearly 60% in the last 30 years due to climate change. Climate change is causing the tundra to melt, which is their habitat. They eat birch and willow leaves, grasses, and sedges. Maybe Santa could use sleigh dogs instead. The effects of global warming are just beginning and will continue to get worse. John Roach of National Geographic said that the predicted range of climate change for 2050 will place 15 to 35% of the 1,103 species studied at risk of extinction. Some ways you can help reduce global warming and help the animals are: carpool or use public transportation, reduce, reuse, recycle, joining a group that helps protect animals, or be informed and inform others too. That wraps it up. Thanks for watching.